Imagine waking up one morning and realizing a machine is doing your job better, faster, and without any mistakes. This is not science fiction anymore. This is the reality of artificial intelligence. AI is growing faster than any technology in history. IT can write articles in seconds. IT can create videos in minutes. IT can design logos instantly. IT can even generate human-like voices. Because of this, many people are starting to worry. Will AI take our jobs? Will humans become less important? Is technology replacing us? These fears are understandable. Every time new technology arrives, people feel the same way. When computers came, people were scared. When the internet started, people were confused. When smartphones arrived, people thought everything would change, and they were right. Everything did change, but humans didn't disappear. Instead, new opportunities were created. New jobs appeared, new businesses started, new skills became valuable. AI is doing the same thing again. AI is not here to replace humans. IT is here to assist humans. IT makes work faster, easier, and more efficient. For example, a content creator can now make videos faster. A student can learn complex topics easily. A designer can create more ideas in less time. A business owner can automate daily tasks. So the people who learn AI will move ahead. They will save time. They will earn more. They will grow faster. But the people who ignore AI may find it harder to compete. Imagine two workers. One uses AI tools. The other does everything manually. The first person finishes work in 1 hour. The second takes 5 hours. Which one will succeed in the long run? The answer is obvious. The future belongs to those who adapt, those who learn, those who evolve with technology. AI is not the end of human creativity. IT is the beginning of a new era, a world where humans and AI work together, a world where ideas become reality faster, a world where opportunities are bigger than ever. Instead of being afraid of AI, start exploring it. Learn how it works, use it in your daily life. Experiment with new tools, build new skills. Because AI is not your enemy. IT is your greatest advantage, and the people who start today will lead tomorrow. So the real question is not, will AI replace humans? The real question is, are you ready for the AI future?